Diamond Earths amplify your connection to the consciousness of light. Metagenesis amplifies your inner evolution. Together they form a symphony of light. Let's discover together how they complement each other. In this video, we'll explore the complementary aspects and the differences between the Diamond Earth and the Metagenesis. First, the Diamond Earth provides a powerful anchor to the planet's central crystal. It reorganizes the entire channel and connects us to the field of collective light consciousness, where you find the realm of angels, ascended masters, guides, beings of light, and evolved beings, imbued with the power of the diamond ray from the source. So it purifies, protects, and connects. It supports, inspires, and infuses us with profound inner guidance. Now, the metagenesis also has an anchoring force, but not to the earth. It anchors within us, within the self, in the present moment. It stimulates the awakening of presence by amplifying the power of light energy within us. They are absolutely complementary. It's an anchoring in the here and now. It develops this energy of creativity and a tremendous presence, a very high vibrational rate, which means that while the Diamond Earth does this too, with the metagenesis, it's about transmutation right away, right now. We have testimonials from people who received metagenesis and saw their lives transform very rapidly. Blockages simply dissolve. So together, what does that do? The metagenesis will connect you to the presence of the self, to your inner light, to your own energy, and powerfully develop all of your energy, along with creativity and intuition. Meanwhile, the Diamond Earth will connect you, anchoring you to the earth, reorganizing you from within, and connecting you to the field of light consciousness. So when you combine the two, what happens is, with the metagenesis, you get an anchoring in the here and now, in your presence, in yourself. And with the Diamond Earth, you get the anchor to the earth and the anchor to the fields of light consciousness, the connection to the source. So firmly anchored here, you become conscious, operational, active, radiant servants of light, through which the hierarchy of light and all its forces can be channeled, because it will purify, elevate, and make your vessel available to the forces of light. But who are you? You are beings of light. We came to bring a powerful vibration to the earth. Personal fulfillment, the fulfillment of soul missions, of karmic missions. And I assure you, it's not always easy, but wow, it's amazing how good it is to feel yourself in the process of fulfillment, overcoming things that are sometimes not easy, but how we laugh about it afterward, because we see that they were just old, obsolete patterns we were carrying. The Diamond Earth illuminates the world. The metagenesis awakens your being, and together they open the way to the new humanity. Let's be the forerunners, or at least active, participating, and benevolent actors. Let's work together for world peace.